What's up guys, Brett the Tech here, and I am here with the unboxing of the Vibe Sound stereo headphones. I just picked these up for a low price of $5 at Five and Below. Alright, as you can see, I have already torn this open for the sake of the video and time purposes, but don't worry, I haven't messed with anything. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're just going to want to open it with a box cutter or scissors. You're just going to want to take this out. This is just, it says noise reduction and what it works with, right there. Alright, let's get to the, it doesn't really come with much, obviously. Alright, let's set that aside for a second. The only other thing it comes with is a piece of cardboard, and it says the specifications, so take a look at that if you want to. The specifications will be in the link description below. Alright, when I first picked these up, they look comfortable. They're pretty solid built. I'm gonna go ahead and it's got a nice long cord. Hold on, let me undo it. This is a pretty long cord. And alright guys, I'll come back in a second, because then I'm gonna show you with them on me, and I'll tell you how they feel. Alright guys, be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. I just put these on, and the noise reduction is actually really good. I can barely hear myself think. But the first thing I noticed is that the adjusters, to fit your head right, they're really good. You can adjust them almost all ways. And I have an oddly large head, so that always comes in handy. So they feel really comfortable. There's nothing wrong. I'm about to test out the song quality with my iPhone, so let's just put it in there. Like that. Just gonna hit play. I'm gonna speed this up while I listen to the song. Alright guys, I just listened to a song by Eminem, and I have to say I'm impressed by the quality. My rating on these were $5 for something that was, if you're looking for a cheap alternative, something that looks like this, DJ style, and has some sound block, I give this a great rating. But if you are looking for something that really does the job right, you're gonna have to spend a little more, but for this $5, I think it's worth it, guys. So this is Brett the Tech. Don't forget to subscribe. Doing unboxings and tutorials on everything that has to do with tech. Alright, guys. Peace.